Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by prioritizing a stable path. Plug in Ethernet and disable Wi-Fi on your device. Next, kill background apps that use CPU or network. They cause jitter. Once done, reboot the modem and router. This clears routing tables and transient errors. Then run a quick ping test to a known server and write down the baseline numbers. These first actions remove common, immediate causes of spikes and give you a reference point for deeper fixes. Now you dig into diagnostics to isolate where spikes originate. Run traceroute and continuous ping to the game server to identify the hop that spikes. If the problem is local, enable Co-S on your router and prioritize your device or game ports. That reduces buffer bloat and packet queuing. Make sure router firmware and NIC drivers are current, and try a fast, reliable DNS to cut lookup delays. Once configured, run stress tests to confirm. Finish by addressing persistent physical and routing issues. Swap Ethernet cables and test alternative ports or switches because degraded cabling causes bursts. If route-level congestion is the culprit, try a low-latency VPN or traffic shaping to bypass bad hops. After changes, run a prolonged ping and store logs. If spikes continue, gather trace routes and packet loss stats and contact your ISP. Provide the captured data so they can trace upstream faults. Troubleshooting.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.